How to enable dark mode in SafePal. Are you guys facing issues to enable dark mode on SafePal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To enable dark mode on SafePal, open the SafePal app and tap on profile icon or go to settings from home screen. Once you tap on settings, scroll down until you find the option called theme or appearance. Now click on theme. After you click on theme, you can see two options, dark mode and light mode. Select dark mode and the app will instantly switch to a darker theme that's easier on your eyes, especially at night. It also helps save battery life and OLED screen and gives your wallet a sleek modern look. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos on this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to switch dark mode on SafePal application. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.